What's going on, guys? It's Jeremiah Cregan, back to do an unboxing with you guys today for the Stylecraft Unos. I don't know if you guys have seen anything on these yet, but it's a single foil shaver. I've never really seen anything like this, so I'm excited to take them out of the box and see what they're like. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so Stylecraft Unos, I'm going to take them out of the box here. Nice. Really cool design, slick, really small. Just for reference, I'm going to show you guys 5-pack of gum. So it's smaller than a pack of gum, really. Nice. So it runs at 9,000 RPM. It's pretty loud. It's a high-powered shaver, though, that's for sure. And it's single foil, like I said. And then to get it to pull apart, you're just going to give it a nice pull apart there. Then put it back together. Runtime on it is 120 minutes. It's a lithium-ion battery, hypoallergenic blade. It's really feels really nice in your hand. I mean, I don't know about doing a full skin fade with this. Like I said, I haven't used them yet, but for some fine detailing, I could see it being beneficial. But I will have to give them a try and let you guys know. But that's really it. I just wanted to show you guys what was in the box. You got your charger, you got a crunchy blade, and a forged blade. So the forged blade is what we're all used to with the Andis, the Wall, the Babyliss. Those shavers are all forged blade. I believe I'm right on that. Let me know in the comments if you guys think that that's not right. But the crunchy blade is the new one that they came out with here, so we'll see how that is. And then it comes with a brush as well. So that's about it, guys. Some tutorial videos coming out this week, and I appreciate you guys tuning in. Thanks.